Is that okay for you?
Yes.
Setting, yeah? So it's a bit, it means it's coming on and off, on and off, on and off. So we should be able to keep it in one area for longer, yeah?
All right.
Again, if it's too much, let me know. 1, 2, 3. Right then. Let's see you do your neck rolls from inside. I want to see big movement. Full movement. Good. To one side and then the other. So you're going to go down. Here. And then down, other side, yeah? Side to side. Good.
When I do this side, I feel something.
You feel into that, yes. That's the joint, the restricted motion in the joint. Step by step, we're going to improve mobility.
This side only.
Mhm.
This.
Mm-hmm.
Moving back to the right.
Continue. It's okay? A bit hot?
No, it's the distance.
Twisting, huh? Good. And up to there, yes. And down. Continue. Okay. So big 5 times forward and then 5 times back. And we're going to hone in with the laser on that area. Go. Big. Opposite direction. Good. Let me see your chin tuck. Good. Resist my push. That's strong. Please stand and show me the Brugger break. This way. So standing this way. So back to me. Good. I want to see this one. Here. Forward. It's okay for you? Good. Keep going. Head up. And again. Go. Do it again. Open the arms. Again. Beautiful. Beautiful. Have a seat now. Take the bowl. Rest on your front. turn to the side, facing the door. Perfect. Lie on your back. Up, feet up. Give yourself a hug. Don't need to squeeze you. Looking straight. Come up for me. Have a seat. Nice and relaxed. Nice and easy. Perfect adjustment.
Yes.
Each of the bones moved well.
Yes.
How's your body doing?
Good. Yeah, relaxed.
We'll come along. You keep up with those exercises and we'll check
Sure.
it next time. Good.
Yes.